Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will do an overview of the Auto Google Line Sheet. And this is a product available in my Etsy store. And this is just a quick overview to show you how it works. So I've been thinking for a while about creating a line sheet on Google because all my other sheets are for Excel. And I like to automate them because I feel that this is something that could be very quickly automated. So what I wanted to do was to create something similar to Google. And Google has a different system. So it has a different coding system. It has the functions are the same, but somewhat different at times. But I wanted to create something that you could create line sheets in seconds and not have to spend doing work over and over again. So I'll just give you an example. I'm going to take this item number 1000, and I want to be able to do this. I want to allow the information to automatically populate. And that's 1000. And if you see, it's a little bit slower, but for some reason, Google is slightly slower than Excel. So Google's great because everything else works pretty quick, but Google does take a little bit longer when getting the information from another workbook. And this is from another workbook, which is very hard to do. So the way this works is you're gonna have this sheet here, and then you're gonna have two workbooks. When you download this from my Etsy store, there's a Google sheet, a Google line sheet, which is this one. And then there's this one here. Because the thing is, you don't really want to send out all your data, all your items, and you might want to change costs depending on some different information. So you don't want to send out all your data. You want to be able to keep your personal data for yourself. So the way this works is that it has an image, item number, description, cost, and MSRP. So I'm going to go to Unsplash, and the way it works, you copy the image address, you place it here. We're going to create a number. So now we're up to 1010. I'm just going to copy this information down. So we're adding item number 1010. And then the information is going to populate. So in addition to that, you could delete it and then it's going to come out. And this is going to be based on how fast your server is. Like when I do this on my phone, it's a lot quicker. It's just I have slower data. But basically, there are no equations here. Like there's nothing. It's all done back-end code. So you could, let's say, okay, you're like, okay, I have all these style numbers. I need to create a data sheet and I need to create it fast. It will just populate the information for you. It's all done in back-end. And if you need to export this sheet, you actually can export it to a PDF. And it basically allows you to do this in a very fast way. All you do is you put your numbers in and the information automatically populates, and you could just create sheets over and over again. And this is basically an overview of how this works. It helps you to create line sheets just in a couple of seconds. You don't have to worry about writing any code because the code is there's no code in it, and it populates the information automatically. And if you need to delete, you can easily delete. And it's all the data. We have your master data in a separate workbook and just work solely from here. So if you like this product, it is available in my Etsy store. This is a new product that is available, and it's the Auto Google Line Sheet. And for those of you who wanted something similar to my Excel sheets, this is the closest that I could get to because, of course, like I said, Google Sheet is different. So this will work like this. The images will be in as links, but that's fine because you will always have access to them. And the rest of the items do not have any code. Thank you for watching. If you like this channel or if you like products like this, like and subscribe. Bye.